Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm gonna share a very important safety tip for your home. You see, I have this washer and dryer connection here. I did have my washer here, which has been moved to some other place, and water connection has been established over there. They were like electric panel. This was for washer and this was for dryer. Okay. Now, because they are not here, so these two are covered. In fact, drywall that was cut, that has been patched, but this right now this is closed, but water is there. So if even accidentally, if anything gets opened, water is gonna come out, so we have to close it. So how I'm gonna do, so I went to Home Depot and purchased this is called hose cap, and that I'm gonna put here and close it. So if you buy these hose caps, make sure they have some sort of rubber inside them. So I'm gonna show it to you. So as you can see, inside this rubber is there. So this is important, like when you buy, like you can always ask them. So I had purchased this from Home Depot. It was very simple, like $3 something for one, so I have taken two. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it here and rotate it clockwise, because these materials are standard, including their width and other things, so easily it's gonna fit. So this has been fit, and I'm gonna do for other also, but you got an idea now. Even accidentally, especially if you have kids, this is protected. So that's how it works, guys. And maybe like you may install a panel or something here like this, that also you can do. But yeah, so thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.